Glass cleaning machine is in mirror making, vacuum coating, tempering, hot bending, insulating glass lamination. Special equipment for cleaning and drying the glass surface during the pre-treatment process of deep processing. The glass cleaning machine is mainly washed by transmission system, brush, clean water rinse, and pure water rinse, composed of hot and cold air drying, electronic control system, etc. The main drive of the glass cleaning machine adopts gear transmission, frequency conversion, speed regulation, and digital display. The rotation of the brush roller in the cleaning part is driven by the independent belt of the upper and the lower sets of motors. The rotation speed is stable, the service life is long, and the rubber roller is durable. The air knife does not need to be heated. No sponge absorbent roller, avoiding maintenance and replacement costs.